Hey guys, what's going on? You know what day it is. It's Red Friday, my favorite day of the week. We're always killing it on Fridays. Always red on Fridays. Can't wait. I traded two stocks, one futures contract, and we're red. We're all red. Down 250, three names, and it kind of sucks. But I'm stopping at max loss. So that's what's good, and I think if I can actually stop, then I can prove to myself that I have the discipline now finally to control my red days. So that'll be good. And the most frustrating thing is that my plan worked out. The SPY here, I was trying to short 286, and I got short 286, and I was covering and adding and covering. And then I got stopped out right here. And it just was not pretty from there. I biased, flipped as it came down, back up, and then back down. I got long here, and then I got stopped out. So there's a couple trading errors I have to work on, of course. I think the mistake was shorting the front. I literally got short, like right here. And I didn't wait for confirmation, I guess, and maybe this was confirmation, like on the 5 minute especially, like maybe that was confirmation, and then I was looking at it right here, but I was already past max loss, so I did not take it, and then it went all the way to my level of 285 without me, and that literally would have been like a $600 trade, but instead I am down 250 on the day, so really frustrating, but I want to learn, and if you guys have any opinions on this, please let me know, because I don't know if this was the spot to short, and maybe next time it would have worked out, or if you should wait for confirmation, of course. Like, this was clearly confirmation. It comes up, you reshort this head, like this is a shoulder, this is a head, this is the right shoulder. This is where I was staring at it. I was about to press the button, and then I'm like, I'm down 250. I can't take it. Like, I just can't take it because of my risk and my limit. So, please, I think that is correct. You should wait for the confirmation, and then this was the trade. This was the trade right here, all the way down to literally 285. So, it's unfortunate, but it happens. I don't know why I bias switched to long here. I think it's just because I got bumped out of my position, and then I thought that this was confirmation for the long. Maybe there was a long trade in here up to the high of days, but I had the right thesis of going short. I got spooked out of it, and I have to review this on the weekend. I have to learn what I did wrong, because I think if you look on the higher time frames as well, that this is a pretty clear, like, this is in a downtrend. I think so. I had the right idea, but I just got spooked out of it. My execution was terrible. My entry was good, but it was at the wrong time. So that was the futures trade on the SPY. Now let's get into the actual stock trades, because they were equally as shitty, and I do want you to see them. So let's bring this over here. Bring it over. So I was watching, what was I watching here? This is when I was trading the SPY, the futures. It was actually kind of, like, it was pretty good. I changed over to the chart here. I was shorting. I had a little test order here of just one contract. I was covering. I was reshorting. I was covering. I was reshorting. It was actually pretty beautiful. Just covering again. I could tell that this felt, bullish, but I was trying to hold on to some contracts, so I eventually reshorted here for what I thought was the bigger move lower, but we actually got the bigger move higher, and I got stopped out of my position here, and I was up pretty decently on it, and then that's where I decided to reshort it at what I thought was a double top at 284 or 286, and that's where the profit went away. So let's show you the trade here on CREX. CREX was really good. I got a nice dip buy here at 324. It surges up. I'm just holding for high of day. And I do my thing where I get stopped out. I get stopped out of the position, and it moves up with oh my god. And it moves up without me, and then I buy up here. I bought up here. Oh man, this is so hard to watch. Do we have to watch this, guys? Please say no. This is where I should have been rebuying. 335 support. This was clearly confirmation. I did add to 1,000, so sure, you could call this averaging down, but it was 300 shares to 700, on to 700 shares to 1,000 shares. So I'm not upset about that ad. I'm upset about this ad and this sell. So we can just fast forward. You all know what happens here. I don't sell at high of day. I'm waiting for 370 because that's my target. I thought perhaps we could break through it. I was a little bit clouded by the fact that I was already down on Gene and on the MES futures. I thought we were going through 370 here. Obviously, I should have been taking some off, 500 shares, but I don't know. I was a little bit clouded. Like, if I had an entry down here, of course I'd be taking some off here. At least I think I would be in the 60s, right? Because if I had 1,000 shares, it's $300, and this is the resistance level. So that's what happened on that one. And then I get stopped out. I stopped out at a good time because this continued lower and lower. Let me show you here. Correct. CREX. On the 1 minute. Oh my god, the SPY, it just keeps going down. So I stopped out here, which was good. I don't want to be holding through this. I don't want to be holding 1,000 shares. So that was that. Gene was just a very quick trade at the open. I should not have even taken it. I'm forcing trades. So that's another mistake, okay? I'm forcing trades. This is not my setup. There's no confirmation. Not my setup. It ended up working out. But this, not my setup. So I'm forcing trades. I'm slightly over trading. Oh my god, the SPY. Oh my god. Oh my god, I was short. I was supposed to be short this. I was supposed to be short this. First one was not taking my setups, okay? So that trade, $50 loss, fine. Here, we could argue that this was okay. This is why I was scalping. Maybe scalping is better without confirmation. So that this was good, and then when I stopped out as it broke over here, perfect. Maybe this reshort was not the best idea. But then in hindsight, I'm thinking that was a double top, right? So maybe I would have shorted that in any case. So I have to work this out over the weekend, whether or not this was the correct place to short again, or what to do, because this right shoulder of the Head and Shoulders confirmation was the play. And it's, oh my god, I can't watch this. I can't watch this. I can't watch this. So that's it for today. We hit max loss. I have to think about this all over the weekend again. Figure out what I did wrong, how to do it better. And honestly, I would love to hear what you guys think of what you just saw. Put it down there. Let me know what you think I should have done, especially on this this futures trade on the SPY. Like, should I be waiting for confirmation? Like, probably, but it shot up into my level. I just took it at the wrong time. Clearly, this was the right level. Just the wrong time. This actually hurts a lot. That would have been like over probably $1,000. But I'm going to get out of here. I have my other job. I work today in the afternoon, so I'll be doing that. Please, guys, if you could, press subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. We hit 1,200 subs. The revenue's going up and up. I think I had a comment from a user saying that I should disable the middle like in the middle of the video ads because they're distracting. I didn't even really know I had them on. I just turned all of them on, and I think that might be why the views are so much lower for the last video. So I turned those off. Sorry if that was annoying, but that's gone now. So anyways, whatever. Let's get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you Monday. Peace.